Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Messenger story not showing. Now, when you are using Messenger like I am and the stories aren't showing over here, there are some things that you can do to fix it. The first option is tap on these three bars in the upper left corner and then click on this settings and privacy and scroll down until you see this story option. Click on it and you will be able to see who can see your story as well as hide it from certain people. You can just go through everything and hide your story, but we are interested in the stories you've muted. If you just go here, there might be people that you could have muted. So you just want to make absolutely sure that you have no one here because you wouldn't want to mute anyone's story, or maybe you want to do that. It's up to you. But since you are looking for someone's story and can't seem to find it, make sure you haven't muted their story because you won't be notified when they post a story. The last thing you should do is make sure your messenger is up to date. So for this, just go to your Play Store or App Store in your mobile and search for this messenger. If it shows open next to messenger, then your messenger app is completely up to date. But if it says update, then you need to update your app. Updating to the latest version usually fix these kind of bugs and issues. You should always make sure that your Messenger app is completely up to date. Then you can go back into Messenger after you've updated the app. Then you should have all these stories there and you can see and view. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.